UC Berkeley, where I work, we work with a lot of aspiring entrepreneurs. And our goal is to help train the next generation of innovators that will create new companies that will impact societies.
The younger generation, they're the future. The young generation we have to rely on. We're all older, we have baggage. The younger generation see things differently. So we need now to get behind them, help them to get educated, to help regenerate Ukraine and get it back into where it was before and even better.
And so if you look at the history of the US, a lot of our technological brilliance comes from what came out of the war. At the end, there will be brilliance. We're seeing it already during the war, but after the war, those people are going to be building this country.
So let's now get behind and try and help this young generation to get involved with their country.